Good morning, tractor fans. It's Mike again from F&W Equipment. We're back. This is the third snow event we've had in 1 week here in Connecticut. This is February 9th, Super Bowl Sunday, and we've just woken up to what you see behind me. We were supposed to get between 5 and 10 inches, and it looks like we got about 4 to 5. But just to refresh your memory, on Monday we got like 3 inches of really nice fluffy snow that was really easy to blow. Then on Thursday we got like 1.5 to 2 inches of mixed precipitation. It was snow, it was sleet, it was ice. This one is kind of a mix of both. It started out fluffy underneath, but maybe you can hear there's a layer of ice on top. It switched over to rain at some point last night. You know, you could see there it's kind of icy in there, right? So I expect this to blow really nice. It's not wet like it was on Thursday. It's got a little crust on top of it, so it may build up a little bit in front of the machine, but we're going to use the LX again today. Today I'm going to kind of tell you why I bought a tractor in the first place. This is our house in Oxford. My wife Ian and I built this back in 2012, 2013. We really dreamt of living in the country. We were living in a little condo at the time. Wanted something nice where we could have a couple of dogs, where we could get away, have some privacy. Well, that came with this very long, very large driveway that stretches 320 feet. At the time, I was working for a company that had me traveling 2 to 3 weeks out of the month. I was all over the country, and this driveway is a lot of work for 2 people. We were using walk-behind snow blowers at the time, and it was just not fair. If I was away and Ina got a snowfall, she would be stuck in the house. So I started looking at tractors, and we got a tractor. This is our second tractor. The first one I brought home is not a Kubota. It was actually a John Deere. It was a great machine, a 1025R. I can tell you all about it. We still own it. It's an awesome machine. This is our second tractor, and this has made it possible for us to deal with this driveway very easily. Just a minor inconvenience when it snows, lets us live in the country comfortably. So when we went to buy a tractor, it wasn't only important that it was powerful and productive and would help us make our driveway an easy task, but it was something that we could both use, something that Ina could comfortably jump into. If I was on the road far away from Oxford, she could do the driveway comfortably, safely, and effectively. So we're going to try a little something different with this video. Instead of you watching me operate this machine, I'm going to stay outside of the machine, and I'm going to turn it over to Ina. Wave, Ina. Ina's a little nervous. It's her first time on camera. So we're going to pop Ina into the LX. She's going to go ahead and do our driveway. We'll get to see how easy this machine is to use, and I welcome any of your questions. So I'm gonna say that Ina and the LX did a great job on the driveway. It's looking really good. It took her about 20 to 25 minutes. She was in low range the whole time because it was pretty heavy duty snow. It was a little bit on the heavy side. Not a lot of snow, but it needed low range. But you take a look at the driveway, it looks fantastic. She's done a really good job. I think this was a good demonstration. I think it really shows that these machines really aren't all that hard to use. Ina is she's a brave girl. She'll try anything, and she's mastered both of the machines that we've had. She's still getting to know the Kubota. We've only had it for 1 year now. This is our second winter, and last year it didn't really snow that much. I don't travel so much, so I get to play with it a lot, but we still kind of fight for the keys because it's a whole lot of fun to remove the snow from our driveway and from our neighbors. We always help them out. So I hope this gives you an idea of just how much something like this can change the way you do your work. So if you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments. Be happy to answer all your questions. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again next time.